Hey everyone, I'm Jessica with ShortStack. Twitter contests are a tried and true marketing hack that can get a lot of traction very quickly, and people are sometimes a little more willing to hit that retweet button than they would be to share a post on other platforms. Are you looking to beef up your Twitter presence? A Twitter contest is a great way to get some new followers and engage with the ones that you have. And if you do it strategically, the results will benefit your business long after the contest is over. Here are the crucial steps to hosting a successful contest on Twitter. Step 1. Start with your goal. Believe it or not, this is a step that most businesses skip. Instead, they try to replicate contests they've seen other businesses running, assuming it's the way to go. But the goal for your contest will be unique to your business, so it's important not to copy what other businesses are doing. In other words, what do you want to achieve? Brand awareness? Social engagement? Lead generation? Once you know what your goal is, you can decide how you actually want to execute the contest. Just as important, you'll be able to identify which metrics you want to track as your contest progresses. This will help you evaluate its success. For brand awareness, you might monitor mentions. For lead generation efforts, you'll want to keep an eye on the number of forms submitted. Step 2. Choose a type of contest and your contest prize. The type of contest you choose also should be absolutely based on your goals. Voting or submission-based contests can be best for lead generation and for gaining high-quality UGC, user-generated content, that you can utilize later on. Incorporating retweeting elements is good for improved reach. Choosing a prize also deserves considerable thought. Your prize should be something that is of direct value to your target audience, but wouldn't attract an overwhelmingly large number of users who would never purchase from you. I mean, what's the point, after all, of getting a ton of new leads who signed up to win a cash prize, but will never actually convert to customers? Some ideas for prizes can include gift certificates to your business, free products from your business, or even exclusive access to a special event. Step 3. Create your contest with contest software. There's one enormous and immediately obvious benefit to using contest software like ShortStack. It allows you to capture lead information safely through a secure landing page. This alone is enough of a reason to use contest software, but there are a few other good reasons to consider as well. For example, the ability to take advantage of detailed analytics as your contest progresses. This will help you see how users are engaging with your contest, as well as where you stand in terms of reaching your goals. Contest software like ShortStack also has the capability to choose a winner at random. Contest software is a small investment to ensure that your data is collected and stored so that you can use it for further marketing. After all, even if you're looking to increase social engagement or generate leads or build your brand, the ultimate end goal for most businesses is to convert customers. So, collecting some quality data, like an email address, can help you do that down the road. Step 4. Continue to promote and keep users engaged throughout the contest. Once you've started, don't just leave your contest alone. Continue to promote your contest as well as engage users for the duration of it. Share different entries, ask users what they think, respond to their comments, and post frequent reminders about the contest deadlines. This is one of the most important steps, so don't skip it. Step 5. Announce your winner. This is the fun part. Now that your contest is over, you get to announce your winners. Tag them in a post that congratulates them and thanks all the entrants, reminding users of the grand prize. At this point, it also doesn't hurt to remind folks to follow you so that they can learn about your next contest, even if you don't have another one planned anytime soon. Step 6. Use autoresponders and retargeting to build those relationships. Hopefully you use contest software like ShortStack in order to capture that lead information like email addresses, like we mentioned before. That's really the only way to get long-term results from your Twitter contest. Once you have entrants' contact information, you can use email autoresponders and custom audience-based retargeting Facebook ads to nurture relationships with these new leads. Twitter contests are a great way to drive engagement and brand awareness. These contests are often an exceptionally cost-effective marketing strategy that provide high ROI, even with the cost of contest software and the grand prize factored in. It's why you see businesses of all sizes utilizing the strategy in equal measure and seeing great results. So, are you ready to host your most successful Twitter contest ever? Sign up for your free trial at shortstack.com to see firsthand what we can do for you.